So this is the Lego 40197 review set, and you can see it over here how it actually looks like in all its glory. It is a very nice looking Lego set. There is many different versions of the same exact set that came up, and this is one of them. If you zoom in, you can see those two minifigures are actually movable. Right in the middle, one of them has the wedding ring, another one has the flower, and it has a very nice stand with it as well. The great thing about this set is that it is very simplistic. It has this watery-like location right here, and there is two different flowers here as well. And then as you turn it around, they have a wedding cake, and on top of it there is two minifigures right on it. So this is a variation of a vintage set. They actually came up with a bunch of different sets just like it, and this is just the latest alternation variation of the same exact set here. You don't get this many play pieces in here, but the best thing about this, you get the minifigures and also the whole stand that comes with it as well. That looks kind of cool actually, like a fairy tale. That's what it is. As you keep looking here, you can see a few other interesting things about this specific set, and I'm going to be showing you that in a second. So one of which is what you can actually do is switch the different hairs. You can have a blonde girlfriend who's going to become your wife. You can have a black dark hair for her too. And for the guy, you can switch the hat into hair pieces. Black, brown, I don't know what that is, and so on. And after you're done building this set, you actually also get two more extra miniatures included. So that is great. I like those miniatures. They're kind of really cool looking. After you get this, you're going to also have a bunch of spells left too when you're done, including another wedding ring. And in case you lose that one, there was a third wedding ring too. And there's like a lot of different pieces. This is, oops, by the way, it was supposed to be for the wedding cake. And yeah, you're really getting lots of extras with this set. Bunch of extra pieces just for the fun of it. Now, one thing I dislike about this set is this specific minifigure. So all you have to do is just get one from another set that looks like this and switch her around. And this one is actually coming from the minifigure series set. It's a pretty old one. This just bounced off of it. As you can see, I don't narrate those things as well as I should. But if you do like this video and review, definitely put a comment right down below, and I'll be putting more Lego reviews as well here. So this is actually my preferred one that should be here instead. And I did forget something in here that goes right in. Now, this is the only modification I would do with this specific set. Usually I do lots of modifications, but this is it for this set. Now, when it comes to the book, and another thing I have to tell you is that it's not really, the way it's made, it's very fragile, so be super careful with that. Now that's how it's supposed to look like when it comes to the book itself. Very small build, easy build, 36 different pages. It's really for people who want to get married, have a Lego team married cake. And on the inside you can see all the parts and pieces that are included. And this is very interesting, by the way, because it says you're supposed to get one of those guys. I don't know why, I got two of them. And the same thing for the white dude too. So if you go here, it says one dude, and I got a double. So that's pretty good deal here. And it also says 1 ring. And I got 2 rings. I could say maybe this was a good find, by the way. Sometimes it happens that you get a set and you get more than you bargained for. Overall, this is probably 9 star out of 10 for what it is. I wouldn't say this is the best looking set that I ever seen, but in terms of like wedding sets and how they go, this definitely goes up there, one of the best ones within the series. And this is how it looks like when you zoom out. So in case you're interested and you want to buy your own, definitely head over to Amazon where you can get one of those Lego wedding sets for you to have a Lego theme wedding. And if you did enjoy this video, well, make sure to thank me by subscribing to my channel.